He's got the same boots I do.
Hi guys. Police department.
Hey. What's up, guys? You okay? We're just coming by checking everybody out.
You guys want to get into the mission tonight? There's some bad weather coming.
Hello?
No?
Who's with you here, man?
You do?
You do?
You want to get in someplace warm tonight? They're taking people tonight no matter what. As long as you can behave yourself.
Yeah, you want to get in then?
Yeah,
Okay.
We'll get you in there.
Yeah, we can get you in.
Yep.
Is just... What? No, you don't want to go?
Sure, we're expecting a lot of snow tonight.
Yeah, it's like 2 to 6 inches of snow. You're good? You want to get in though? Well, we can't let you pee out here. Oh, I thought you said you had to take piss.
That's what I thought you said. Okay.
Okay.
Well, you're not going to pee until you get over there, right?
No, we can't let you pee outside. Once you get over to Mel's, you can pee, okay? Yeah. 1563.
Oh, 10, 10:30? I don't really know, to be honest with you.
1563.
Did you check with Mel's, see if is okay to come in?
Stay warm a second, bud. Really been bad movement on the outside layer.
Oh. Nah, they... I went back and listened to my tape from...
1563. They said if you bring him in, they'll assess it.
You don't know what's up?
They'll assess him.
Okay.
10-4, we'll be bringing him down.
They'll take you. As long as you can behave yourself. You want to go, Mel's? They'll take you as long as you can behave, okay? Put on your best behavior.
The other one, it sounds like.
Yeah, the PI room's full tonight already. So if you can behave yourself and not act too drunk, they'll take you over in the other one, okay?
Widen up paper.
Okay.
Before you get in the car, I just got to pat you down, make sure you don't have any hand grenades or assault rifles or anything, all right?
All right, bud.
All right, just throw your hands up.
You're going to be good, right? Okay.
Yep, we'll get you over there quick.
I already tried.
We can try for you unless they've already kicked you out.
They didn't kick me out. It's just, they won't let you in after, like,
No, we got you.
Yeah.
As long as
With
you're in the
us,
car, we can
yeah.
get you in. What's your first and last name?
My first name is...
What's your last name?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, they're making special accommodations.
1563.
So we can get you in.
1563.
Mel's 4 has not been drinking.
You don't have any alcohol, right?
No.
Okay.
10-4. My backpack, my shoes.
You're good. They just kind of frown at us when we take people in with the booze.
Oh, I understand. I don't drink.
All right.
Is there anybody else back here?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I actually just got here. I've got a friend. He's an older gentleman that stays at the Herkimer Apartments.
Okay.
And I'm on the preferred guest list, and so I can stay there until 1. And then he comes and gets me at 6 wherever I am.
Okay, gotcha.
But yeah. So.
Yeah, if it's cold like this, the missions usually make exceptions to the rule.
Okay.
So just keep that in mind. If it's like that, even if you're after hours, they have like weather advisory things that they are a little more forgiving on.
Well, yeah, I'm hoping that I've been working like crazy lately. Hoping that this period of my life is over.
Good.
Good.
Shit, I don't blame you, my friend. I can't even imagine.
Especially this weather now.
Just been working, like painting for someone.
Yeah.
Not getting paid, roofing for this guy, not getting paid. Worked all day today, got off 15 cents.